Paul behind me is actually a subscriber of the channel, and he hit me up. He was like, let's go for a drive. I've got the same car. Let's have some fun, and fun we shall have. So if you're a subscriber of the channel, first of all, if you're not a subscriber, become a subscriber, hit that button down below. But if you're a subscriber of the channel and you want to go out for a drive with me, just hit me up. As long as you're local to North London, we can have lots of fun. All right then, today is a good day. It's the beginning of summer. It's just starting to get a little bit sunny. And if you could see in the rear view mirror, or that mirror, there is an RS 300 right behind me in liquid yellow, looking absolutely pucker. We're just coming into one of my favorite roads. I've let a little bit of a gap build up, and we are gonna have some fun. Let's get it. Oh, look at that car behind. It looks so good. The hazards have been dispatched. Oh, yes. Ooh. Let's hit this hard. Super fun. Oh, look at that car behind. God, it looks so good. Oh, that was a lot of fun. Horse. Guys, the summer is here. I've been talking about this for a little while. Oh, it's gonna be so good. We're gonna take some road trips in this car. We're gonna do lots of stuff like this. One of my favorite bits of road. Absolutely phenomenal. Absolutely phenomenal. God, I love that bit of road. Look at that liquid yellow car behind me. Another little blast. Goes down to a 40 here, mate, sorry. Look at that car behind me. Can't go too crazy now, but soon we will. That is a sight, isn't it? Just being hunted by a Megane RS. God, those cars look so good. These cars.